Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the optical element. A clear glass or acrylic bead focuses light like a tiny convex lens. Once chosen, hold it against a scrap of paper to check for magnification. You should see letters enlarge. Next, cut your tube or trim cardboard to a comfortable length, about 5/8 cm, so you can mount the bead securely. Make sure to sand rough edges and dry fit the bead in the tube opening. This confirms position before any glue is used. Now you mount the bead into the tube. Apply tiny glue dots around the rim, use just enough to hold without smearing the optical area. Then press the bead into place and hold steadily for the cure time. While the glue sets, align the curved surface toward the object you'll inspect. This creates a short focal distance and stronger magnification. Once dry, test by bringing text into view and adjust the bead slightly if focus is soft. Small shifts change clarity significantly. Finish by sealing any exposed joins with a thin clear coat to protect adhesive and improve grip. Let the piece cure fully before use. Test your mini magnifying glass on small print and textured surfaces to learn its focal distance. Move the lens to find the sharpest view. If the image is blurred or distorted, clean both surfaces first, then reseat the bead or try a slightly larger or smaller bead. Lens size and precise centering control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.